Hi, this is Litre Total Parts Pro. Today we have a 2021 Chevrolet Silverado stock number 6579. This run from the night 2020 to current shape. It has a T1 6.2 litre V8 petrol engine backed by a 10-speed automatic transmission. This is a T1 6.2 litre V8 petrol engine. Left front headlight. Left front 18-inch factory alloy maggot tyre. Left front door mirror. Left front door no dents. Left rear door no dents. Left rear 18-inch factory alloy maggot tyre. Left rear taillight. Rear tailgate no dents. Right hand taillight. Right rear 18-inch factory alloy maggot tyre. Right rear door no dents. Right front door mirror. Right front 18-inch factory alloy maggot tyre. Right front door card. Right front master switch. Centre console lid. Automatic gear shifter, heater AC controls, factory touchscreen stereo, interior mirror, front courtesy light, left front sun visor, right front sun visor, factory 3-spoke leather steering wheel, instrument cluster,